Hi everybody, it's Crafty Rhea, and I am here with a haul that I got from cheapscrapbook.com. I saw them in another video and I had to run over and buy some stuff because, well, I like cheap. I can't help it. So anyway, and I want to talk to you about their customer service from Tony, the owner, and she was really awesome. So anyway, here's what I ordered, and I'll explain what happened with my order and how she resolved it for me. So that's just the box to cover it up. The first thing I ordered was something similar to this. It is Cardi Bella. I'm just going to move this all to the side and I'll take things over one at a time. It's this Cardi Bella paper pack. This one's called Winter Wonderland. The one that I saw was called Let It Snow. And I've seen these online and they're like $11 or $12. Well, at cheapscrapbook.com it was $5, just $5. And I thought, okay, well, I have to have that. I love Cardi Bella paper. So I'll take it out of the package to show you how beautiful it is. Anyway, when my order came, this wasn't in the package. And I was charged for it. So I sent Tony an email. And she said she didn't have the exact one that I ordered, but she had this pack. And she asked me if I thought it would be okay, and I said sure, because the reason I ordered it was for the flocked or the foil snowflakes. So anyway, this is red paper with some, I don't know if you can tell, but they're silver foil snowflakes, and the paper is textured cardstock or paper. It's cardstock. You can see the texture on the back. Probably. It's really nice, and it's not that bad of a weight. It's really nice. And there's 6 sheets in here, and there's 2 of each color. So we have the red, and we have the blue, which is really pretty, and then the white with the snowflakes. And they're just gorgeous. They're nice and shiny, and like I said, it's a good weight, and all of the papers are textured. So anyway, this pack, like I said, everywhere else online it's around $11. I saw it on her site for $5. So because they had this pack, that is why I ordered. So I was so upset when this wasn't in my order. I will say that the shipping is a little high on her site, but if you order enough stuff, it'll be worth it, because you'll save enough money on the other stuff to make the shipping worth it. So anyway, I got that pack. And while I was looking around, I also saw this pack, Cardi Bella, and it is the Merry Christmas Gold Foil Collection. And I thought it would go nice with the other pack, or I could use it for, you know, Christmas stuff. And again, it's that beautiful Cardi Bella textured paper. If you guys have ever used Cardi Bella, this stuff is awesome. So this isn't a white, it's more of a creamy white, and you get 2 sheets of each. This pack was also $5 on her site. And then that, got 2 sheets of the red, and you could probably see the texture on the back. It's really nice. It's gorgeous paper. And then the green with the gold. So this is more of a traditional Christmas color. So I got that. So then the next thing I got, I will say that I'm making this video in October, on October 15th, but I am posting this video at the end of November because the next things are for a gift. And I don't want to ruin the surprise because it's a surprise. I'm doing a 50th wedding anniversary album for my in-laws. Their anniversaries at the end of November. And I don't really have any paper to go with that. But I saw some things on this website and I couldn't resist. I saw this pack of cardstock stickers, and there's a lot of the sayings that I thought would be really good to use in their album. Like, if I had to choose again, I'd choose you. mean, this is wedding paper, but I think a lot of it would be really good for a 50th wedding anniversary or any wedding anniversary. Because it's like, loved you then, love you still, always have, always will. That's really good for an anniversary. So I saw some of the sayings and I thought this would be really, really good. Love is a magical thing. No one is too old for a fairy tale. Things like that. Those are perfect for a 50th wedding anniversary. I thought that was a really good sheet of cardstock stickers. And I don't remember the cost, but these were not very expensive. And then there was this paper. You know how I am about the cut aparts. I think they're awesome, but I thought I could use them in the album as different embellishments. Like dreams really do come true. You are my everything. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I mean, I just thought this was really pretty. And of course, some of the wedding stuff I could use. I'm going to do a couple pages of their wedding. So I think that would really work. And any leftover I could always use for wedding cards. And then this is a two-sided sheet of paper, and then that's the print on the back, which is really pretty. So then I ordered a paper pack of wedding paper, but that wasn't in the album, or I mean in the package that I got. I got this instead by mistake. And it's by the same company. It's Photo Play, but it's a card kit. Well, this really wouldn't work for the 12 by 12 album because it's for cards, but I'm going to make this work. I have to make them a card anyway, and then I could use some other things for embellishments. So I'll show you what comes in this pack. And again, I don't really have stuff for wedding cards, so it would be nice to have it on hand anyway. So then you get 3 sheets of this, and you could use those as like the backgrounds of cards. And then there's the back, and it gives you some examples of like the sample A7 size card you can make from this. And then there's 3 of those sheets. And then there's 3 of this sheet. And here it gives you an example of an A2 size card, which is the 8.5, or the 5.25, no, 4.25 by 5.5 card. I know what I want to say, I just can't say it. So then this sheet, you can make those, that size card. And like I said, some of these I can even use as embellishments in the album. Or it would be great if you were doing a mini album too. And I'm not exactly sure which card I'm going to make or how I'm going to do it. But I'll figure it out. And then there's 3 of these sheets. So having 3 of each one, I mean, you can really make a lot of cards out of this pack. And then it says Our Love Story. That would be nice in the album. And then there's a sample 5.5 square card that you could make with these papers. Of course, you could always cut them down to any other size you want. And then it comes with this page of the instructions on how to make all of those cards. I guess there's 9 different card examples they give you, and they show them on the front of this here. Gosh, you can make these cards. And then there's a pack of stickers on the back, or a page of stickers on the back. There we go. Now it's right side up. And again, this would be really nice to use some of this stuff in the album. You could do their year or their name with some of the stickers, and then just whatever. So I thought that was really nice. I can use it for a card and cards in the future, and I can also use some of it for the album. But this was the paper pack that I intended to purchase. Again, Tony was really nice and had no trouble replacing it for me. So this is the Photo Play pack. I've never gotten Photo Play out brand before, but their paper is fine. It's not nice and textured like the Cardi Bella, but it's, I would say, pretty, it's regular paper, and it's, I think, sturdy enough, so it's not like super cheap or anything. You could even cut apart some of this from the front page if you wanted. So then you've got some cut aparts here, which will come in handy for some different embellishments. I love this, the story of us. I like that. And then I like this too. It's so amazing when someone comes into your life and you expect nothing out of it, but suddenly there, right in front of you, is everything you ever need. I really like that saying. So I saw some of these and I thought I really have to have this paper pack. And then on the back is that print, and you get 2 of each design, so you can use the front and the back. I love this paper, all the bouquets. That is so pretty. That would be really good for, you know, a picture of the bride and groom tossing their bouquet or something like that. That's really pretty. And then you have that on the back, which is a nice stripe. The reason I picked this paper is because it has gold in it. And as you know, gold is for the 50th wedding anniversary, so I thought it would go really good. And then this paper is so pretty. It's just the lanterns, and it goes with this, the story of us. So I thought that was really pretty. And that doesn't even have to be for a wedding page. That could be for anything. Gorgeous. And then it has the black with the gold. And these little lights that are strung up, I don't know if you can see, they're hearts. They're really cute. Very cool paper. And then, oh my gosh, the next one is my favorite paper. That is probably why I bought the pack. Okay, I may have lied. I said this was why I bought the pack. No, this next paper is why I bought the pack. This paisley. It's probably not going to make it to their album because I don't want to cut it. I don't want to use it. I just love it. I love paisley of all kinds. And this I thought was so pretty with the black, white, gray, and then the gold. That is so pretty. You could even take like a gold foiling pen and add texture to that. Add some glitz. And then there's the back. But I'll never see the back in my albums because there's this. This is like the best. And then there's that, which is really pretty. It's elegant. Just black and gray. And then on the back, it's like marble, which would be a good background page for something, because it's not too busy, but yet it's really pretty. And then we have this page with love and the arrows. It's a little more modern than the rest of the pack, but might be kind of pretty. And then the back has these leaves, which would go good with something like that, I think. Yeah, very pretty. And then we have the sticker sheet. I love those bouquets. They're so pretty. The word love, love is all you need. So, you will forever be my always. I like that saying too. So, very cool. So anyway, like I said, this video is going to air late. So, I made it in October. So, by the time you guys see this, some of this stuff might be sold out from the cheap scrapbook place. But, you can always check. They probably always have new sales, and it's worth it to check. Customer service, like I said, is excellent. Tony did a really good job hooking me up with the right stuff. And, you know, I heard back from her immediately when I emailed her, so that's really good. I'm assuming it's a her. It's T-O-N-I. If it's not a her, I'm sorry, but I'm assuming it's a her. And, like I said, this stuff's pretty awesome. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And if I haven't reached 100 subscribers yet, I will be doing a giveaway when I do reach 100 subscribers. So you might want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be included in that giveaway and you can help get me there faster. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.